Alright, what's up, y'all? You know what time it is. It's time for another SNAK-A-GIZ. Yeah, this your boy Keenan. Keenan just felt like cooking. And yeah, I got some shrimp. You know what time it is. Let's get to it. Alright, so what I got here, I got a good pound of the extra large or extra jumbo shrimp. It's like, I think 16, 20 per count, or the one below that. They're on sale. So I got those, seasoned them with some of this Red Lobster seafood seasoning here. This stuff is good. And we're going to use this right here from Dynasty, the Coconut Panko, Japanese style breadcrumbs. So very excited to use this. And it also has recipes for the coconut katsu chicken, crispy coconut dessert topping. I bet that is bomb. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my fab method. I got some flour right here. I got some egg right there, 2 eggs whipped up. And then I'm gonna put the panko in this, and we're gonna get to doing it. Let's get to fabbing. Okay, so I got my oil heated up right here in my deep fryer. I'm gonna go ahead and let these bad boys sit for like 20 minutes. I wanted that breading to really adhere to the shrimp. That's why a lot of people probably have problems when they go in to deep fry something. Their batter comes off because they don't let the batter stick to the seasoning and adhere to it. And also another tip, when you're using a deep fryer with a basket, I would recommend dipping it in the oil like that, just to lube it up, to prevent any stickage. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop a couple in here. I'm gonna go ahead and do like 5 at a time. Here we go. Lower it down slow, because you don't want to drop it down there all fast, and then the force from you dropping it down, it shoots up and the oil just takes all your batter off, and then you cooking it. And then once you get it going, you know, give it a little shake to make sure they're not sticking. And as you can see, them bad boys is not sticking, they floating. See that? They moving, they floating. So I'm gonna go ahead and let these roll, and I'm gonna wrap them up, and we're gonna be back when they finish. And of course, we're gonna get a bite. Oh yeah, we all done. Your boys Coconut Panko shrimp, seasoned with the Red Lobster seasoning. And man, look at that. I mean, just look at that. Look at that now. This is my first time doing some coconut shrimp, and it probably won't be the last. All right, so we finish. Only used pretty much 2 things besides the flour and the egg. Seasoned the shrimp with the Red Lobster seafood seasoning, and then let them sit for about 30 minutes. Let them come to room temp at 30 minutes. Not, you know, let them sit so the seasoning could set up in there. And then we did the fab method. We used flour. We used some self-rising flour. Whipped up 2 eggs. And after I floured, egg, and then I went here with the Dynasty Panko, Coconut Panko. And that's it. Just this. And the seafood seasoning, boy. So real simple, real quick, pretty much 2 ingredients, something you can try at home. And I'm about to try it right now. So let's get a nice one here. I will say, after I did batter him, I let him sit for about 20 minutes while I cleaned up and got the oil hot and all that. Oil was at 350, and it don't take long to cook shrimp, so just make sure they're done. You know, when they start floating, you know what's up. But yeah, I think the key was to getting the batter staying on there was to let them sit after I did the Feb method. And I hope everybody pay attention to that, because I know a lot of people out there have problems with the breading coming off their food when they fry it. Not only that, when I lowered it down, the fry went real slow, so I can create like a little seal on the meat, and then I lowered it down so the force from you dropping it down won't push the oil up and knock off all your batter. I'm pretty sure that happens too, because in my earlier days it happened to me a lot. So hey, just some little helpful tips from your boy here, and I appreciate everybody checking me out. Before I hit over 1,000 subscribers, I want to thank everybody out there that's been checking me out all around the world: India, the UK, Turkey, Russia, and of course, the United States. All right, y'all be cool, be safe, be smart. You know what time it is. Catch me on the next one. Check me out on YouTube and Instagram. Keenan just felt like cooking, and TikTok. All right, y'all be safe, be smart, be cool.